In this video, we're going to show you how to perform a battery replacement on your Toyota Camry located under the hood. Using a 10mm socket in your 1/4" ratchet, loosen the bolt on the ground terminal. Wiggle that terminal, slide it off, and set it aside. Release the lock tabs on the positive terminal cover. Pull that off. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the nut on the side here. Give that a twist. Lifting up the terminal. Set that aside. In front of the positive terminal, if you go down here, there is a bolt. This is a 12mm. We're going to go ahead and loosen and remove that bolt. Pull up that bolt and the clamp unit. Go ahead and grab that handle, lift up on that battery, pull it up and out. Go ahead and grab that battery, lower it down in position. We're going to slide this to the rear of the battery tray. Slide the terminal back. Going to lower down our bracket with our bolt. Get that lined up on the front side of the battery here. Going to start that bolt by hand. I'm going to go ahead and snug it down. And grab that positive terminal, slide it over. Make sure that is down as far as it'll go. And we'll go ahead and snug this down. Now once you feel that nut bottom out, give it a little bit more. You want to snug it down. Give that terminal a twist. Make sure it doesn't move. Once you're satisfied with the connection on there, go ahead and put the cover back on. Snap it into place. Grab the ground terminal, install that. Press it down as far as it'll go. Using your 10mm socket, go ahead and snug this down. Once you feel it snug up a little bit, continue to go a little bit more. Give that a good wiggle, make sure that it doesn't twist. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.